KS Rao, CEO Network Software and Services at STL Technologies.
So what are the top two trends that you see happening in 2020?
So there are two things. One is that we find that most of the data usage and storage and computing is moving towards the edge. So edge networks are going to become more complex. So in the interest of, let's say, how we provide services to the end users. The other trend which we see is happening is in terms of the whole telecom companies are moving to digital companies, and which means that it's just beyond a communication need. So it's more than communication need. We'll start providing digital applications for the life-changing experiences. So that's also another shift happening.
And how has been your journey with V&D over the years?
It's been good. I think I congratulated PZ today that it's 25 years of a V&D, and so it's been a great journey, and we have seen that how industry in telecom is going through challenges, and voice and data has always been bringing the thought leaders and making them to think and debate about what's the future path.
And if you can also give a little bit short keynote over your unlocking the internet.
I think it's a right topic to debate, because it's a great year, 2020 year, starting with a decade ahead for all of us. In the last 2 years, 2 decades, it's been more focused on getting somehow internet connected, and by that process, 50% of the population got connected. Now, if you do the same way for next balanced 50% population, probably we would not achieve the digital experience. And so we are at the point where it's important to debate how the next 50% population is going to get connected globally, and in India about 75% people. That is what is very excites the entire industry. There are many things that we need to relook at it, both from a regulatory point of view, government support, government investments, and also industry also need to bring some innovations. For example, I think, as I said, that if more and more edge networks are being built, more and more rural networks are to be connected, you need to bring a lot of things around open source and converged network technologies to be a part of your game plan. And industry is actually looking at consolidating it, and a company like as STL, we are also heavily focusing on also being present in across all network layers, but bringing one common factor, that how do we bring a unique data networks design and build, which is built for our future generations. Thank you.